That's resistance. Resistance, Nick. That's so weak. Yeah, that was beautiful.
Really? Listen, Nick, you're always the loudest. What's going on?
Alright, hold up.
How long?
I'm nervous.
How long are your snap stories usually?
I'm not snapping. I don't do that snap.
Yo, I should pull up some of this
I'm
stuff
never
on my
learning.
phone. Like, that one thing was crazy.
Oh, that way you can save the videos.
that one
way.
bird was like an earthquake.
Maybe. Nick, you ready for this?
Yeah.
No.
Follow me.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Early in the morning, right